Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you could easily pause or stop temporarily the Windows updates for 7 days. To do that, just click on the Windows sign or just press the Windows sign on your keyboard and type Settings. Once you see the Settings application, you can always click on the Settings on this section or double click on the left one, and this should open the Settings option. Under Update and Security, you double click, and here we will be on Windows Updates. So to stop temporarily the Windows updates or pause them, just click on Pause Updates for 7 days, and this should pause the Windows updates for 7 days. To undo that, you can always click on Resume Updates so that you go back to initial stage. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance with Windows updates, leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.